For this Christmas, our friends at Hunkydory have created a magazine. It's called Crafting with Hunkydory, and there are 80 projects inside this. They are featuring the 4 Christmas kits. So that's Christmas in Style, Festive Friends, Winter Warmers, and A Wonderful Winter Time. All 4 of them, there are projects inside this. So if you have one or all of them, this could just be a must-have. Now, as I open this up, well, one thing I want to tell you is the Step into Christmas. We have that one also. Of course we do. Now, every section is going to focus on a certain kit, and it's going to give you complete instructions as well as very nice photography of the projects. So really let you see what's going on. This happens to be Festive Friends. I'll flip through here, and Christmas in Style. And it's nice to see things like this. Now, this is offsetting one of those frames. Let me see. Well, I can see it in person. It's not showing up real well on the camera, but you can see how they're offset. That's a really nice technique to think about. So you're going to get, as I said, 80 projects, so probably about 20 for each one. In addition, you're also getting papers. You're going to get 8 double-sided papers. So let me show them to you. They are shiny. So if you stamp on them, you'll want to use a Versamark. Well, actually, you're going to use a ink pad that isn't going to smear. So you can see all 8 of them. They're very nice patterns, and they are used on the projects in the magazine. So it's nice to have them right there. There we go. And then you're also going to get some other ideas. So this is for an iris folding pattern, and then the pattern is included in the magazine. So that's really nice. This is Winter Warmers, and you can see nice big photography. You can really clearly see the projects, and you get all of the instructions. This is A Wonderful Winter Time. By the way, the instructions will either be in inches or in centimeters. It just depends probably on who the designer was and what she was most comfortable doing. So you can see just a lot of ideas, even more than the ones you get in the kits. Now, there we go. We've got some templates. There's tea bag folding, some other ones, that iris folding. So lots of ideas for you. Now, you can buy this separately, or if you buy each of the kits, you can get the magazine for free in our Hunkydory Christmas Bonanza.